very beautiful today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're asking women, why is it good to be complimented? Now, we know you look good. You know you on fleek, as usual, killing the game, right? Yes, sir. But we want to know why you feel it's good for guys to give you compliments.
It makes a girl feel good. Some girls are insecure, so they don't get compliments.
I give ladies compliments because some of them actually deserve it, but some it would just make some ladies feel good, just to make them feel good. You never know what that can do for somebody's day, just giving them a simple compliment. So try to compliment everybody.
Compliments make me feel beautiful.
Hey, I like your hair.
Thank you.
One compliment I can give her is you have some really nice pants on, look very form-fitting, and you have a nice sweater.
Why do I like to give females what?
Compliments.
Well, I just like to let the females know if they're very attractive. I would like to let them know that they're very attractive. I want to embrace their beauty.
Hello.
Hi.
I like your sweater.
Thank you.
You have pretty eyes as well.
Thanks. Compliments make me feel so special.
We got one of the coolest guys on campus, Tyreek. Tyreek, so we're talking about giving women compliments. Why do you think it's good to give women compliments, even though when they know they look good? Why is that good?
Just builds their self-esteem more, I guess.
Compliments make me feel really great. They always make me feel like I am looking gorgeous, even on days when I feel like I'm not. They make me smile a lot, and it's always great to get a compliment and boost your esteem a little for the day.
Your beautiful hair, madam.
Thank you.
So smooth and silky and natural.
So what we're gonna say is Noya's looking very lovely with her 24-inch weave, maybe 26. Lucky guess. And she has the tight jeans on and the Timberland boots. So she's gonna go to work after she twerks. And the eyebrows are on fleek.
It's good for guys to give women compliments because it boosts a woman's not really self-esteem, but it boosts a woman's confidence. It makes them feel better about themselves, which internally, just makes a woman happy.